When a lot of people thinking detoxing is just about a physical thing, it is physical, but it immediately goes to mental and spiritual because you're raising your frequency. And when you're raising your frequency, it's not only you detoxifying your body, you got to be careful with who you allow in your space,
Right.
what environments that you in, what you listening to. That means you detoxifying your whole self.
Right.
That means holistic.
Right.
You caring for not just the body, you caring for the whole self. So take the time when you're doing this detox, your frequency raising. So this is a time where you manifest.
Right.
This is a time where you write down what it is that you desire in your bank account.
Right.
This is really when you're supposed to be like, yo, I'm making this sacrifice away from sugars and meats and dairies and starches in order for me to take this next step to evolve. I use detoxing to allow myself to take myself to the next level every single time because I made a sacrifice, and anytime you make a sacrifice,